Hi guys, now we have to continue about the online earning system. Offers freelance service. As a blogger, you are already as an expert on your niche. You can start earning an income by offering your skills and expertise as a freelancer. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online because it doesn't necessarily require any upfront investment of time or money. You can just starting offering your services to your current audience. Once you start freelancing, you will need a way to invoice and collect payments from your clients. We recommend using their WP, Simple Pay, or FreshBooks, but there are also other invoicing plugins for WordPress. If you are interested in freelancing to make some serious money online, then see our list of top tools for WordPress freelancers, designers, and developers for help getting started. Now, another is start your own consulting business. Consulting business is another way to make money online from your blog and share your expertise. Instead of offering your services, a consultant offers advice, a strategy so that their client can become more effective. As with freelancing, there is no startup investment. You can start offering consulting services on your existing blog. All you need to create page with a from so user can request more information. To easily create a professional mobile friendly from we recommended WP form, you can see these tutorials on how to create a request a code from in WordPress to get started. Another is that become a coach. If consultant doesn't feel like the right title for you, you can consider becoming a coach instead. A life coach offers advice, guidelines, and accountability for setting goals and improving one's life. There are also other kind of coaches such as blog coaches, writing coaches, and more. Whatever your area of expertise is, you can provide one-on-one help to your audience with coaching service sessions. To save time and make things convenient for your clients, you can set up a booking for so readers can schedule coaching sessions right from your WordPress blog. Sell physical products online using WordPress. While selling digital products or selling can be an easy way to start make money online. There is nothing quite like selling real physical products. Here are a few ways you can get started selling products with WordPress. Thank you.